Hey everyone, looks like I am cooking Thanksgiving dinner at my house, and I'm headed out to Whole Foods to get me some clean food without the toxic poisons for myself and for my family. I do everything homemade and from scratch. I'm old school when it comes to cooking. I'm gonna have a lot of meals. They're gonna be healthy, but they're gonna be the foods that me and my family enjoy to eat. Stuffing, homemade rolls, y'all. Homemade rolls. I haven't made them in a while. Homemade stuffing. Everything I do is homemade. It's from scratch. I don't do anything from a can. I cook from scratch. My parents taught me how to cook, my dad and my mom. I learned how to cook from watching my grandmother, and my aunts are excellent cooks. So, you know, I like to do it old school, and it's just so good and delicious. So let me know in the comments below what you're going to eat. I'm going to see if I can turn on the comments for you guys for this particular video. Give me a few hours until I come back home and go on my computer and turn the comment section on for this particular video. Have a blessed weekend, guys. God bless you.